back to AI Prompt Mastery, where we turn artificial intelligence from a mystery into your most powerful tool for business, creativity, and productivity. If you've ever typed something into ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or LLaMA and thought, this isn't as good as I expected, I have news for you. It's not that the AI is broken, it's that the instructions, the prompt, weren't strong enough, because AI is like a high performance race car. It's fast, it's powerful, it can take you anywhere you want to go. But if you don't know how to drive it, you're not going to get far. The prompt is your steering wheel, and here's the truth. The real power of AI is not in the AI itself, it's in the prompts you give it. Today, we're going deep into why writing great prompts is the single most important AI skill you can master, and exactly how to do it so you get results that blow you away every single time. And if you want to keep unlocking the full potential of AI with me, join, like, and subscribe right now so you never miss an episode of AI Prompt Mastery. Section 1. Why prompts matter more than you think. Imagine this. You walk into a 5-star restaurant. The chef is a culinary genius, someone who's cooked for presidents, royalty, and world-famous artists. You sit down, the waiter approaches and asks, "What would you like?" You shrug and say, "I don't know. Just make me something." Now, you'll probably get something edible. You might even like it. But will it be exactly what you wanted? Probably not. Now, imagine instead you say, "I'd like a medium rare ribeye steak, garlic mashed potatoes, steamed asparagus, and a red wine reduction sauce. Make sure the asparagus is crisp, not soggy, and serve it on a hot plate." Which one do you think is going to taste better? That's the difference between a vague prompt and a great prompt. A vague prompt to AI is like telling the chef, "Just make dinner." A great prompt is giving the chef your exact recipe. Same chef, same kitchen, same ingredients. The only difference is the instructions. And just like a world-class chef, AI can follow your lead perfectly if you know how to lead. Section 2. What a prompt really is. A lot of people think a prompt is just a question, but a prompt is any instruction you give an AI, whether it's one sentence or an entire page. Think of it like a GPS. If you type in, "Take me somewhere fun," who knows where you'll end up. But if you type in, "Take me to 123 Main Street, New York City," the GPS takes you there with precision. AI is the driver. The prompt is the map. The better the map, the better the journey. And in AI, the more clearly you describe the destination, the smoother the trip will be. Section 3. The 4 elements of a strong prompt. Great prompts almost always have 4 key parts. 1. The role. You tell the AI who to be. The more specific the role, the better the results. If you want AI to write a press release, don't just say, "Write a press release." Say, "You are a senior PR manager at a Fortune 500 company." 2. The task. This is the clear statement of what you want. Instead of "Write something about coffee," say, "Write a 500-word article about the history of espresso in Italy." 3. The context. This is where you provide background details, tone, constraints, and specifics. Instead of just saying, "Write a speech," you could say, "Write a 5-minute speech for a graduation ceremony at a tech university." Keep it inspiring, but with a bit of humor. 4. The output format. This tells AI exactly how to deliver your answer. Do you want bullet points, a numbered list, a step-by-step guide, a table? When you combine role, task, context, and output format, you give the AI everything it needs to deliver high-quality results the first time. Section 4. Why most people struggle with prompts. Most people give AI too little to work with. They'll type something like, Write me a social media post and expect magic, but AI works with the raw material you give it. If the raw material is weak, the output will be weak. Another common problem is overloading a single prompt. They'll write me a business plan, design a logo, create a marketing campaign, and give me a sales script. That's four completely different tasks. Each one should be its own prompt for the best results. And the third mistake, not refining the output. They treat the first draft as the final draft. But professional AI users know the first draft is just the starting point. Section 5. Iteration, the secret weapon. The first output you get from AI should almost never be your final product. Think of it like baking bread. The dough is good, but it's not ready to serve until you knead it, let it rise, and bake it. Iteration is the process of kneading the dough. Example, prompt. Write a 300-word product description for a luxury smartwatch. Output, pretty good, but too generic. Follow-up prompt. Rewrite this to appeal to high-income travelers, highlighting durability, GPS, and style. Result, now you have copy that feels targeted, premium, and persuasive. Iteration transforms good into great and great into exceptional. Section 6, weak prompts versus strong prompts. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. Weak prompt, write me a business plan. Strong prompt, you are a startup consultant with experience in the pet care industry. Write a detailed business plan for a subscription-based dog grooming service in Chicago. Include market analysis, pricing strategy, marketing channels, and a 3-year growth forecast. The weak prompt gives no role, no context, no format. The AI is guessing. The strong prompt removes the guesswork and gets you a plan tailored to your needs. Another example, weak prompt. Tell me about AI. Strong prompt. Explain artificial intelligence in simple terms as if you were teaching a 10-year-old. Use analogies related to sports and everyday technology and make it fun to read. The second one guarantees an explanation that's both clear and engaging. One more. Weak prompt, make a logo idea. Strong prompt, generate 5 creative logo concepts for a coffee shop called Bean and Bite, combining coffee culture and tech themes. Describe colors, shapes, and possible taglines. See the pattern? Strong prompts give the AI role, task, context, and format, and that's what produces gold. Section 7, the science of prompt structure. Why does this work? Because AI works through pattern matching. It's trained on billions of examples, and when you give it detailed instructions, it matches them to the closest high-quality patterns in its training data. Vague prompts are like throwing a dart in the dark. Structured prompts are like turning on the lights, aiming carefully, and hitting the bullseye. The more you guide the AI's thinking with your prompt, the more precise your result will be. Section 8. Iterative prompting in action. Let's do an example live in words. Prompt 1. Write a 100-word Instagram caption about a bakery. Output, it's okay, but basic. Follow-up. Prompt, rewrite this to focus on our new gluten-free croissants using a friendly, playful tone. Include one emoji at the end of each sentence. Output, now it's fun, targeted, and more shareable. Follow-up. Prompt, add a limited time offer and a clear call to action to visit our store this weekend. Output, now it's an actual marketing tool that can drive sales. 3 prompts, 3 refinements, and the result went from average to exceptional. Section 9, advanced prompting techniques. Once you've mastered the basics, you can take your prompting to the next level. Few shot prompting. Give AI examples before asking for your output. Example, here are 3 examples of catchy podcast intros. Now write one for a show about urban gardening. Chain of thought prompting. Ask the AI to explain its reasoning before giving the final answer. Example, Solve this math problem, show your work step by step, then give the final answer. Role switch. Prompting. Have the AI critique its own work. Example, you are a professional editor. Review the blog post you just wrote and list 5 ways to improve clarity and engagement. Multi-step prompting. Break big tasks into smaller ones. Example, first prompt for an outline, second prompt to expand each section, third prompt to add examples, fourth prompt to format for publication. Section 10, building your own prompt library. The pros don't start from scratch every time. They build a prompt library, a personal collection of tested, refined prompts they can reuse. Here's how to make one. 1. Start a document or spreadsheet. 2. Save every prompt that gives you great results. 3. Organize them by category: marketing, content creation, research, coding, etc. 4. Keep refining them over time. Before long, you'll have a set of go-to prompts that can save you hours. Section 11, prompt templates. You can copy right now. Here are 5 ready-to-use prompt templates. 1. Blog post generator. You are a professional blogger in the industry niche. Write a word count blog post about topic. Use a tone, and include number examples. End with a call to action. 2. Social media. Caption. You are a social media strategist. Write 3 Instagram captions about product service, each under 50 words. Use an engaging hook, 1 emoji, and a call to action. 3. Product description. You are an e-commerce copywriter. Write a detailed product description for product, highlighting features. Make it persuasive but not pushy. 4. Lesson plan. You are a subject teacher. Create a time-length lesson plan for beginners, including objectives, key points, and 1 hands-on activity. 5. Business email. You are a professional email marketer. Write a follow-up email for customers who haven't purchased in 90 days. Keep it friendly and include a limited time discount. Section 12. Why prompt mastery is a career skill. Companies are hiring prompt engineers right now with 6-figure salaries, but you don't need that job title to benefit. If you can prompt well, you can create better marketing campaigns, speed up research and data analysis, automate repetitive writing tasks. Section 13, your action plan. Here's what to do next. 1. Take 1 task you already use AI for. Rewrite your prompt using role, task, context, and format. 3. Run it. 4. Iterate 2 to 3 times. 5. Save the best version to your prompt library. Do this every day for a week and watch your AI results transform. Closing call to action. If this episode helped you, join, like, and subscribe to stay up to date with AI prompt mastery, your shortcut to mastering the future of work. And for those of you who made it all the way to the end, you're my kind of person. Don't stop here. Check out our other videos and content for even more ways to level up your AI game, because this is Trapper's Avatar, powered by Grown Man Productions, reminding you, you have to reach millions.
It's the rap